All right, so we've waited all year long for this from Kickstarter from South End WoodWorks, aka WoodWorks Gaming. It's the GM Vault, and I'm going to cut into it right here, right now. I'm waiting for this. Can't wait to see it. Close up the slicey boy here. Nicely packaged with foam on the outside of it here to protect it. Oh, nice little thank you gift here with some stickers included. Gotta love that. Thank you guys. And we'll read that later. Let's get to the fun stuff. More foam. I'll be using that to build terrains later. Very well packaged, I might say. Oh, here we go. Feels like Christmas already. Oh, look at that. There you go. I'll turn it so you can get a good look at the...
That's nice.
Oh my God. Let me open this here. We got the D20 on this one and the dragon here. I believe these are just in with magnets. I'm not going to pry around on that very hard. Oh, look at this. Oh, yeah. Yeah, these guys, well, these magnets are powerful. And these will also fit over here. Nice little dice bag included. Oh, and there's something in here. Oh, this is the coaster, I believe. Yeah. Look at that. A special gold coaster for being one of the first 100 to order. And then these pop out. A nice little dice rolling box and a dice storage box included there, and it all nests together. And then these, of course, you notice have the grid on them. Be used for a battle map. And then when I'm DMing, this can all stand up as a DM screen. And there's slots on the top here for cards, for spell cards, or like initiative order or anything I need to put up there. It's a nice little space right here for, putting a phone or something in there to keep it up and out of the way. But this is amazing. Better than I ever even expected when I ordered this, because oh my God, this is amazing. It's all hardwood, custom made. They had all the options on the order site there where I could specify which pieces that I wanted. And I got everything exactly how they described it. This is amazing.
Nice.
You can stop now.
Okay.